Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm tell about how to make this beautiful rose flower easily. Let's start.
Draw round shape using pencil and round shaped object.
Draw 6 round shapes like this and cut it. Take the round shaped paper and fold like shown in this video. Now cut it. Take the flower and cut one flower wing. Fold all the papers and cut like this. Apply glue to the flower and attach it. Now take another flower and cut 2 wings. Apply glue to the flower and attach it. Take another flower and cut 3 wings. Apply glue and attach it. Now take another flower and cut 4 wings. Apply glue and attach it. I am arranging all the flowers in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now take one wing and attach it with glue. Now take 2 wings and attach it with glue. Now take the 8 wings flower and cut at the edges and tweeze it with pencil. Make all the flowers like this. Now take the 8 wings flower and apply glue and attach the 7 wings flower. Now attach 6 wings flower. Attach all the flowers like this. Wow, it's ready now. I made 2 flowers like this. Wow, the flowers are so beautiful. It is like a real rose flowers. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.